Hey guys, this is Kyle with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2022 Jayco White Hawk 29BH. So as you can see right here, we got our pass-through storage, always the first great thing to look at. Lots of storage underneath. You even have a table here that's just, there's a storage place for that. And it does clip on so it doesn't go everywhere while you're driving down the road. You got the thermal pane frameless windows, which looks really nice as you're going down the coach. You got two different doors that you can enter from, one into the bedroom and then one into the living space. So if you want to just go straight into the bedroom, you totally can. That's really nice. You also got your awning here. It is electric and it does have LED lights, so you can enjoy it while you're camping in the night, as well as those two speakers, so you can just be jamming out. Also on the back here, we got our outdoor kitchen. Sorry for the plane up in the air. We got more space right here for a sink. It's twistable and removable. You also got your refrigerator right here, as well as a bottle opener and just more storage on the side here. Whew, that is loud. You also got your solid steps here, and let's go inside so we can get out of this loud sound here. Before you even come into the coach, up into your right-hand side, you got some controls. The lights are the first thing you see up at the top, and then you also got that as well. Come on inside. We're in the living space, as well as the kitchen and dining area. This place right here is a U-shaped dinette. It is in the down position right now, so you can just grab a cushion and then make that a place to sleep. Really, really nice. You also got over here nice countertops here, two different separate sinks, as well as storage on the top here. Gosh, so much space in here. And it's also very light in here. The colors are very bright, and since there's white all over the place, which is great. I love that look. You also got the 3-burner stove cooktop, as well as an oven. And you got your microwave on the top there as well. Okay. You also got your refrigerator and freezer. I love how they just kind of blended it in to make it look like it's just a part of the rig. And it's not like a big refrigerator right in the middle of the whole entire coach, which can be, not as aesthetically pleasing. More storage with more storage here. Then you also got your entertainment center right on the top here, more storage. You got your Insignia big screen TV, radio, and the fireplace as well. Gosh, this rig is full of storage, as you can see. You also got your love seat here, where it's just reclining. And then, like I said, you got that U-shaped dinette on the side there. Let's go into the bedroom. As you can see on the right over there, you got a big window on the front. It's really nice to be able to wake up to natural sunlight. It's got 3 different windows. And you also got your door on the side here. Queen size bed. You also have storage on the bottom. Okay, you can put your arsenal in there, shoes, clothes, anything you'd like in there. And then on both sides of these, you do have the storage on the side. And it does have USB ports, as well as some electrical outlets for your CPAP machines, chargers for phones, or anything like that, which is really nice. If you look to the right here, this is a place where you can put a TV. If you ever see something like this, kind of looks like an antenna connection and the electrical outlet right next to it, usually a place for the TV to go. And this is also very interesting here as well, is that you have a closet that's enclosed. And there's a mirror in there as well, so you can see yourself as you're getting ready, as well as some coat hangers on the side, and just more and more stuff. Yeah, really great place for the bedroom, and the door looks really nice as well. This big thing on the slide out, it's actually flush with the floor if you see on the ground, so it kind of looks like it's a consistent pattern throughout the coach, which is really, really nice to be able to just kind of have the consistency, and it looks better. BH, 29BH means it is a bunkhouse, so you got top bunk and the bottom bunk as well. Really good space. It has windows and lights for both of them, and separation curtains. And then you got the storage on the bottom there, as you can see. And this does lift up. So if you wanted to put a bike in there or a kayak or anything like that, you can do that also. So guys, if this is something that really interests you, I almost forgot. We gotta look at the bathroom. Check out this bathroom. That's really nice. Nice walk-in shower. You even got a window in there. It's very spacious. Lots of natural sunlight in there. Oh, and I just noticed this too. You also have more storage on the side here. Goodness gracious. So guys, if this rig interests you and this is something you want to look at, feel free to call me. My name is Kyle. My phone number is 541-799-8794. Look forward to talking to you. Thanks for watching.